Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. And today, I'm about to go pick up my boy, and he's gonna go take a look at getting another car or truck. And I might as well bring you guys along because I'm gonna see what they got for the boostinmotion family. You guys know that I got a Q60, well, had one, and I got a Mercedes C63. So, just want to see what's available. But outside that, guys, hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Guys, so we at the dealership, checking out where the cars is here. Not seeing really much that I really personally like. Oh, it's right there. All right, it's cool. Found it. This is the car my boy looking at. GLE 63, the non-sportback. We already inspected everything on this car. You have to check, whenever you're looking to buy a car, you want to check every feature and make sure everything's working, from the 360 camera. This has heated and, I believe, ventilated seats, heated and cooled cup holder. It has a sports suspension that's on air suspension, so you want to make sure those modules are working properly. Everything in the head unit, we just went through in detail. Started the car, played the stereo, did everything, took a look and inspected everything that we can on a visual level, just to see if there is any issues. Before even scanning the car, I don't even have a scan tool on me, but that stuff could be taken care of after. But for me, honestly, the only thing I would say about this car, that it will be just the tires. That's really it. They're worn out and they're going to be expensive tires. All right, guys, so also looking at this car, I'm not going to get an S63 for the channel, but it's like the big dog. I have the C-Class, bargain C-Class, and this car, I've learned to have a little bit more respect for, because it's like the big luxury cruiser, and it's a good-looking car. It's a really good-looking car. Let me see. Let me move the seat back, and this car even smells new. I think, what year is this? This is a 2019, and they want $120 for it. Your boy Boost, it does not have that type of money. But, let's see what the lap of luxury is for it. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is... Isn't the Maybach built on this? Holy crap. I don't even know. Ooh, damn. This is, yeah. I see why. Whoa. I see why. I wouldn't get this. This is not a sports car. This is a luxury car with a motor. Jesus Christ. I wouldn't want to be, I would not want, you know what it is, guys? I would not want to drive this car. I want to be driven in this, because this is freaking nice. Wow. Super dope. So I want to give you an update about this purchase. All right. So he wants to get a 2017 GLE C63. Has about 70,000 miles. It's been in 2 accidents, not rebuilt salvage, just 2 accidents. And the asking price is almost $54,000. Now, if you guys have seen any of my old videos on going to dealerships on how to deal with dealership markups or added hidden fees, they definitely added in this one. So they want 54. Then they have something that they add considered a processing fee, which is about $2,000 fluff, and another cleanliness $1,000 fee. So basically $3,000 worth of fluff. Really don't need that stuff. Then on top of that, they added something called a 10% whatever fee, whatever it was called. 10% pretty much is their extended warranty. If the car is $300,000, Lambo. If the car is, it's too cold. I can't even close. I don't know. Speed 3 was trying to chase him. You learned today. If the car is $300,000, you'll be able 10% fee for extended warranty through Mercedes. If you guys know anything about extended warranty, it's not based on a percentage. So the salesman was playing with the words, and we danced around to the point that I looked at him and I said, listen, is it optional? He said, well, you don't have to buy the car. I was like, that's not the question I asked you. I was like, if I didn't want to purchase it and want to get my own third-party extended warranty, he said yes. Once again, always know that, and know that it's always still your choice. They can't force you to buy extended warranty, because someone buying a 10% extended warranty on $300,000 car doesn't even make sense. That's like $30,000. What extended warranty you know is $30,000? Anyways, they're running the numbers, and it's gonna be about $1,000 a month. I already know it. But I just don't like what's going on with the specific dealership and how they actually handle things. There's always that extra fluff, because even if it's 54, they still added $3,000 in unnecessary fees, which you really don't need. But it's the dealership; they can do whatever they want. So, yep. I'm making you guys some videos right now. So M340. I don't know, not really my thing. Why is this colored differently? I don't know. I guess this is how you guys get down. 220. They want 50,000 for it, 64,000 miles. I guess it's right out of warranty. Sitting it. See if we like it. Seat's already back. I don't have the key to start it up. It's nice. It got the little lumber things here too. Quality of leather is really a lot better than Infiniti. Not as good as my like Mercedes, but it's definitely soft. I like it. It feels good. Full digital dash. It's a 2020. It should be that way anyways. It's pretty dope. It has the similar sunroof like this material. I like this. This looks really nice. Light. Hey guys, what's up? It's pretty cool. If you guys wanted a comparison, this does have more room than a Q50 for me, at least at 6'1", just automatically. But wow, that door sounded a little too heavy and metally for me. I guess, yeah, I don't like that noise. Even my Q50 was quieter, and my C60B doesn't do that at all. It's too loud. I don't like that noise. E58 gang, though, I respect y'all. It's a nice looking car. I like it. I like it. Nice looking car. I like it. Don't ever think I'm talking down on this. It's a nice car. Just not my move. And you know what's funny is the G80 is on this platform. So I don't know. I would have to get in a G80 and see if it feels exactly the same way. But I'm assuming it feels exactly the same way. I know y'all guys saw me in the S63 sedan earlier, right? And I think it'll be way too big for me like to be in. But like the S63 coupes, even though I'm not a coupe guy, I like this coupe because number one, it's all-wheel drive. Well, that's number one. Number two, it is spacious enough too. I really like it. Like, for just one person, it is ridiculously spacious. And you still don't have room for people in the back. You really don't. But that's a full-fledged man seat that you can actually put back there. And these seats are super freaking comfortable. Jesus. Who's getting this? Oh my God. Like, I can't even drive this way. I can't. Because I would have to move my seats up to be able to be on the steering wheel. Like, because it just wouldn't work for me. Oof. I don't know, man. Full digital dash, and I like the simplicity of these cars. Very simple, not too much going on. What is this? You press the button. I don't even know how to fucking do anything here. Don't judge me. I ain't got the key. Carbon interior a little bit there. It's nice, but I'm just not a cool person. But this will be a fire one. I would really love this. But if I was gonna get another coupe, out of the last couple coupes that I would ever get, it would be a G37, and then it would be an S63. All right, so we left the dealership. So pretty much update. This is how it ended. This is why credit score is very important. This is why your history on making your car payments are important. And amongst other things. So my friend had the last dealership he went to pulled his credit a lot of times without asking for his permission, which is a really not good practice because they see that those are inquiries that are added onto your credit report. It does affect your credit score, but to a bank that's lending, it's not really a bad thing because it's they understand you getting caught. The car that he currently has right now, he does have some missed payments on it, on his history, for a different reason that more less to do with his job. So that came up. In the case of that, if I was a lender and I saw they missed payments in the past, then yeah, it does like kind of affect it. But ever since then, he's still been making his payments. So once again, they look at it, but it's not saying that they're not going to give you a loan, right? But it does put up you in that risk category. Remember, we live in a day and age now, 2022, where repossessions are going up a lot higher because people are not being able to make their payments, because we're pretty much dealing with the post whatever we've been dealing with in the last 2 years. So they want to make sure your creditworthiness and your for you to be able to actually make the payment, so they don't have to worry about you not paying. Another thing that also affected him was his credit score. It was in the sixes. So with all three of those things going together, with him still having an outstanding loan, the salesman stated that, yeah, you're going to need to, the bank is probably going to be asking for 10 to 15K down. And he was going to see if he can put him to a subprime lender, which usually they're going to charge you more of an interest rate, but they're going to ask for less down. Once again, that's a different direction to go. I usually recommend going through subprime, because every bank is a little different. Some people will take on the risk, but more high quality banks usually don't, rather take someone with a better payment scale, or someone who would fit that category as the right client to work with. So nonetheless, my friend is not going to put down $10,000 to $15,000. Not going to do that. The truck is $50,000 to $55,000 truck. He's not going to put $10,000 to $15,000 down just to do that. And I mean, even if he does put the $10,000 to $15,000 down, which would bring down his monthly payment, he doesn't have a problem with the monthly payment. He can pay like that $1,000 payment. It's just that to the bank, they're like, yo, we give you so much, and your credit profile just isn't enough for us to trust you. So we rather get that collateral of knowing we got 15 from you. So that means they wanted 25% down on the 60,000. So at least they know that, let's say if you only make payments for a year and then it goes into default, they know they can still if they repossess the truck, they can put it to they could send it to auction. Again, it's just a collateral thing, honestly. It's just something they're doing to protect their money. You guys would do the same thing if you could. So in this case, I get it. Mainly about the dealership, luxury motor cars, whatever they called. I don't care. The salesman was very straight up with me. I had to bring the straight up inside of him because he wanted to be the typical salesman. I was like, yo, dude, like, don't move that way. Like, you obviously know I kind of know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So he finally opened up and started being super direct about a lot of stuff, and that was really good. And I like when people keep it 100 with me, to be very honest. Once again, these dealerships do their markups or their added fees, and it just never really helps. Know that the truck was 54, then they charge 2, then they charge 3, then they want to charge a 10% fee of the sales asking price for an additional warranty through Mercedes, which really wasn't a thing. Because he still had pretty much, it's not a Mercedes extended warranty. No, it is a third-party warranty, and they get a kickback from it, which the salesman agreed, yes, we got to make our money too. We want to make our kickbacks. So he finally admitted. He admitted everything. So that's why I was like, you know what? I like that people keep it honest with me. At least I know what I'm buying. My friend doesn't mind buying an extended warranty. It is what it is. That's what he wanted to do. But nonetheless, they got him down to 62.5. 62.5, and even if he'd have put $3,000 or $4,000, he'd been financing that. Then even the bank just didn't want to take that type of hit. I get it. The bank didn't want to take that hit. So it is what it is. Just take it as this, guys. It's really good to go shopping for cars, not when it's a need, more of a want, when it's optional, because you don't want to make any rash decisions because of emotion. You know, God, who get what I'm trying to say? When I got this C63, I wasn't rushing it. I already had a Q60, but I knew it was a good deal. I knew the market, and I took my time with it. And in his case, I told him, yo, just chill, man. chill. So nonetheless, always take your time, assess. Outside that, guys, you have a good morning. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. You guys have a good day.